Welcome to English 109. My name's Jade Almage and I helped to design the course. I'm also one of the co-authors of the course textbook. I teach this class regularly and I also help other teachers and TAs when they're teaching English 109. This class is designed to introduce you to writing at the university level. If you can do well in this class, you should be able to do well in all of your classes, because writing is always going to be a big part of what your teachers ask you to do, regardless of your major. Even in majors like accounting and engineering, where you might expect that writing isn't a big part of what you're going to be asked to do, in upper-level courses, your teachers will actually ask you to do quite a bit of writing, and they'll expect that you can write well. So, if you work hard in English 109 to become a better writer, that work will really pay off throughout your university career and in your real-world career as well. We all come to this course with different goals and with different skills as writers. So the course is designed to help all students. One interesting thing about writing is that we can all get better. The more that we write, the more we revise our writing, the more we can learn. So don't be concerned if you don't feel that you're a good writer. And don't worry that the course won't challenge you if you feel that you are already a really good writer. English 109 is designed to help any student. This course is designed around 3 major units, and each unit has a major essay. Everything that we do in this course is designed to help you write and revise these 3 major essays. You should complete all of the smaller assignments, but also know that each of these smaller assignments builds towards the major papers. In each of the 3 units, we'll begin with smaller assignments that get you brainstorming and developing ideas for your major papers. Those smaller assignments will then build towards rough drafts of these major essays. You'll get a chance to peer review these rough drafts with your peers, get some feedback from your teachers, and then revise these essays before you hand them in. It's important to remember that you'll get lots of opportunities to rewrite and polish these essays before you have to hand them in for a grade. Then, at the end of the course, you'll get to choose 2 of these 3 major essays and revise them yet another time to submit them as part of your final portfolio. As you can see, revision is a key part of this course. The idea is that revision is something that we have to practice if we want to become better writers. You can divide any of our 3 major assignments up into steps. The first critical step, and this is a step that you need to take for any writing assignment you're given in your university career, is figuring out what the genre is that you're being asked to write. Genre means what type of essay you're being asked to write. So you're given an assignment prompt, and your goal is to figure out what the purpose of the assignment is, what shape the essay should take, what forms of thinking you need to do, what forms of research, the voice you're going to use. All of those details are that's information that you can get from the assignment prompt. In this class, the assignment prompts also come accompanied with reading, and each of the chapters that you read from your course textbook, How to Write Anything, focuses on a particular genre and helps to explain what that genre is. So for instance, for the first essay, a narrative, you have an assignment prompt that tells you what the TA or teacher is asking you to do, but you also have a chapter that explains to you exactly what the narrative genre is. So read those assignment prompts carefully, read the chapters carefully, engage with the activities that you're given in that first part of each unit, because those activities are designed to get you thinking and brainstorming towards the larger essay. You'll also be given assigned readings from the textbook that are examples of the genre that you're going to be asked to write. When you read those example essays, you can get even more ideas for the ways that you might write your own essay. The next step is that you need to sit down and begin drafting your essay, coming up with some ideas about what shape your essay could take and the sorts of things that you want to write about. You'll be given a lot of strategies in this class to get you started writing. Hopefully, the strategies that you develop in this class to get started are strategies you can use again to get you writing anytime you're given a writing assignment. After you've drafted your essay, even if it's really rough and you're not happy with it, the most important step is revision and editing. I know that in my own writing process, my first drafts are often really terrible. But I need to get them out because I know that I can put time and effort into revision and editing and make even a terrible draft a lot better. A key part of the revision process in this class is that you'll get feedback on the draft of your essay from your TA and from your peers. You'll also get the chance to offer feedback to your classmates. It's really important that you invest in this process. A lot of the time, we can learn so much from reading other people's essays and giving them feedback. It can often be easier to give other people feedback than it is to critically read our own writing. So giving your peers feedback will also then mean that you develop strategies to make your own writing better as well. I think you'll see that revision is one of the most, if not the most important part of this class. The students that put the most effort into revision are the students who do the best in English 109. The final step in each unit is that you polish your essay and you submit it. At this point in time, you will get a grade from your TA on the essay. But you should remember that 2 of your 3 essays, your 2 favorite essays, you get the opportunity to revise them again for the final portfolio. The final portfolio also gives you a chance to gather all of your rough work over the course of the semester. Even those drafts of the essay that were really rough, or the feedback that you got from your peers and your teachers. In that portfolio, you also get a chance to reflect on the process. One of the key philosophies behind English 109 is that when you leave this class, you should know yourself much better as a writer. That means you should know what works for you in your writing process, the things that you need to concentrate on to do your very best work. So, you should focus on the 3 major essays in this class. Complete all the smaller assignments, but also know that they're there to help you get moving towards these 3 major essays. Don't worry if you feel that your first drafts aren't very good. You'll get lots of chances to improve this work. Invest not just in your own work, but in the work of your peers too. Give them good feedback and help them to revise their work to make it better. Finally, know that writing is a lifelong process. We can all always get better. If you put the work into this class, your writing will improve, your writing in all of your other classes will improve, your grades will improve, and you'll become a better thinker and a better communicator.